Look, we get it. A lawyer is likely the last person you want to be contacting or speaking with. But unfortunately, you have found yourself in an unfamiliar situation where you need legal assistance. Or you simply don't want to deal with a dispute anymore as it's causing you too much stress. As litigation lawyers, we understand this better than most. We also understand that a legal dispute doesn't just affect your finances. It can shake your peace of mind, strain your relationships, and affect your overall well-being. The stress can feel all too consuming, but it doesn't have to. This is where we come in. We're here to provide more than just legal solutions. We're here to give you clarity, confidence, and a path forward. With over a decade of experience resolving countless disputes, we'll be the trusted partner by your side, protecting your interests and helping you reclaim control and your peace of mind. If you don't believe us, just scroll down below and you'll see what our other clients have had to say. We know that for many people, building and construction disputes are an unfamiliar territory. That is why we have answered some of the most common questions we hear from clients. The first question is, can I deal with the dispute myself? Absolutely. There is nothing stopping you from dealing with the dispute yourself or reaching an agreement with the other party. However, there is risk in doing so, including agreeing to something that adversely affects your rights or your position, or a failure to comply with the strict obligations under the contract, which can have serious consequences. The second is, how do I avoid a building dispute? Unfortunately, sometimes disputes cannot be avoided, despite your best efforts to prevent them. However, there are avenues to mitigate the risk of a dispute, including a detailed contract, obtaining legal advice early, and just transparent communications between the party. The third question is, what are common issues that arise? Some of the common issues that we regularly see cause disputes may include poorly written clear contracts or verbal contracts, disagreements over project timelines, quality of work, variations or changes to the scope of work without proper documentation, payments disputes, defective workmanship, or use of substandard materials. Interestingly, the most common issue we have seen, which could easily be rectified, is simply a lack of communication between the parties. The fourth question is, do I need to go to court to resolve the dispute? That question will depend on your specific circumstances, but not necessarily. Some circumstances can be effectively resolved between the parties or without the need for legal proceedings. This may include QBCC claim or an adjudication. However, there are some circumstances that require you to prosecute it through legal proceedings, particularly if the other party is reluctant to negotiate or simply ignores your attempts to resolve the dispute. And the final and probably the most important question that we hear is, when should I seek legal advice? It is generally recommended that advice is obtained as soon as a dispute has arisen. Early intervention can mitigate and often sometimes prevent the dispute from escalating, saving all the parties some time and money. Don't let a dispute derail your project or cause you unnecessary stress. Let us help you take control of your project, provide you with a clear path forward, and help you get the project back on track. Simply complete the survey below and enter your details. We will then contact you regarding your free case evaluation consultation and also send you our free litigation resource.